In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Wix store using collections and categories, which will help your customers find what they're looking for more easily. We'll go step by step, covering everything from creating collections to adding a category menu on your site. So let's get started. First, the concept of collections is crucial. Collections allow you to group similar products together, making it simpler for customers to browse through related items. To create a collection in your Wix store, log into your Wix account and head over to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu. Navigate to the Store Products section, and from there, select Collections. Here, click on the New Collection button. When you name your collection, try to be descriptive yet concise. For example, Summer Dresses gives a good indication of what products are included. You can also add a brief collection description if you think that's necessary for your shoppers. With your collections created, the next step is to assign products to them. Return to the Store Products section of your dashboard and click on Products to view your inventory. Select the product you want to assign by clicking on it, then scroll down to the Collections section in the product editor. Here, check the box for each collection you want the product to be part of. Repeat this process for every product you wish to categorize. This step is vital for ensuring the organization of your store, as it helps streamline the shopping experience for site visitors. After grouping your products into collections, it's time to put this organization to work by adding category menus to your site. The category menu acts like a roadmap for your store, guiding visitors directly to the collections they're interested in. To add a category menu, go to the Wix editor and select the Add button, which you'll see on the left-hand toolbar. Choose Store from the menu, then select Category Menu. Simply drag and drop this onto your page where you'd like it to appear. Customizing the look of your category menu ensures it matches your store's design, enhancing the overall user experience. Click on the menu you've added, and you'll see options for changing fonts, colors, and layout styles. Customize the appearance to suit your brand aesthetic, keeping usability in mind. By organizing your products into collections and making them accessible through a category menu, you significantly enhance the shopping experience. Customers will be able to find what they're searching for swiftly, making them more likely to purchase and return. With these tools, your Wix store will not only be more visually appealing, but also functionally efficient. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to organize and display your products on Wix. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.